This is Jorge Jalapeño coming to you live from Irving, Texas. And we just finished building this awesome fence here. They ran out of storage room, so they needed to turn their parking lot into storage. So they called us, and we did it. Within 5 days, we built over 700 feet of this metal fence. We had to drill into the concrete, get the permits, fire code, all that. It all passed. We did a great job. So if you need a metal fence for your warehouse, your factory, your home, doesn't matter. We will build it 6 foot, 8 foot. We'll put gates on it. We'll put automatic gate, whatever you want. Go to onpointdfw.com, ask for Jorge Jalapeño. And remember, folks, when you're feeling down and out and you're feeling low, just throw a grito. And you'll feel much better. See you soon.